This training video covers how to use Gantner hardware with NI LabVIEW. We will discuss how to download, install, and use the NI LabVIEW Instruments driver provided by Gantner Instruments. To download the driver, visit the Gantner Instruments homepage at www.gantner-instruments.com. On the homepage, click on the magnifying glass and type LabVIEW in the search field. The top two search results are drivers for different versions of NI LabVIEW. The first driver is for LabVIEW versions 2011 to 2015, and the second is for LabVIEW versions 2016 or higher. Download the driver for the version of LabVIEW you have. Unpack the zip file you downloaded and find the Gantner Instruments folder inside. You must copy this folder to the proper location within your NI LabVIEW program directory. For 64-bit versions of LabVIEW, you will need to navigate to C, Program Files, National Instruments, and open the folder of your LabVIEW version. For 32-bit versions of LabVIEW, you will need to navigate to C, Program Files x86, National Instruments, and open the folder of your LabVIEW version. In this video, we are using LabVIEW 2019 32-bit, so we will open this folder. Next, open the Instruments Library folder and copy the Gantner Instruments folder we downloaded to this directory. Doing so installs the driver, and with that you are ready to use Gantner Instruments hardware with NI LabVIEW. The hardware used in this video includes a QStation X test controller and Q.Blocks XL A101 measurement module. For sample data, a tweezer with a strain gauge is connected to the first input channel of the A101 module. The tweezer signal is initially tested in GI Bench using a simple dashboard to ensure the sensor is working correctly. With hardware setup complete, our goal now is to visualize the sensor data within a LabVIEW environment. Let's get started. Open NI LabVIEW and create a new VI. Right-click within the block diagram and navigate through the following context menus: Instruments I/O, Instrument Drivers, Gantner Instruments, then Ethernet. There you will see the Tutorial Start VI. Left-click the VI and drag it to the block diagram. If you do not see a Gantner Instruments folder in the Instrument Drivers context menu, then you must restart NI LabVIEW. In the block diagram, double-click on the Tutorial Start VI to open the front panel. Click on the Run button to start the VI, then click on Scan Network Devices. Select the desired controller within the Available Devices table. The IP address of the controller will appear within the Connected to IP or Buffer ID field, indicating that the VI is connected to the Gantner controller. To get data from the selected device, under Online Data Network Devices, click on Example High-Speed Port Online. In the High-Speed Port Online and Communication VI, change the read index from 2 to 1 to visualize the sensor's signal. Now that we have successfully visualized data in LabVIEW, we can explore editing the block diagram to our liking. Stop all running VIs and open the Tutorial Start VI block diagram. This block diagram offers useful starting points for most tasks involving Gantner hardware with LabVIEW. Select HSP Online from the drop-down menu at the top of the block diagram. Now double-click on the HSP Online function block to open the High-Speed Port Online Communication VI block diagram. This source code can be used as a starting point for most LabVIEW applications. In the Gantner Instruments folder we installed is a helpful PDF that describes the various VIs you can use. On page 7 of the PDF, you will find a helpful description of how Gantner hardware communicates with NI LabVIEW. For additional information regarding the installation or use of the NI LabVIEW Instruments driver, contact your local Gantner Instruments sales and service location for further assistance. We are happy to help.